Working in a small office doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or functionality. With thoughtful decor and organization, you can transform even the tiniest workspace into a comfortable, efficient, and inspiring area. A well-designed small office is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that boosts productivity, keeps you focused, and makes work more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore creative and practical ideas to make your small office decor both functional and beautiful. Choosing the right furniture is crucial when decorating a small office. The key is to prioritize multifunctional and space-saving pieces that maximize functionality without overcrowding the space. Start with a compact desk that suits your needs. Look for options like wall-mounted desks, foldable tables, or corner desks that make the most of available space. For seating, choose an ergonomic chair that provides comfort during long working hours. If space allows, opt for a chair with a slim profile or one that can be tucked neatly under the desk. Alternatively, consider stools or backless chairs that take up less visual space. Storage is another essential aspect. Look for furniture with built-in storage, like desks with drawers or shelves. Wall-mounted shelves and floating cabinets are excellent for keeping supplies organized without taking up valuable floor space. Multifunctional furniture, like a storage ottoman or a desk that doubles as a bookshelf, can also save space and add style. By selecting the right furniture, you can create a functional and visually appealing workspace that feels open and uncluttered, even in the smallest office. If these small office decor ideas inspired you to refresh your workspace, give this video a like and share it with friends who could use some creative office inspiration. Color and lighting play a significant role in small office decor. Light colors, such as whites, pastels, or soft grays, can make a small space feel larger and more open. Consider painting the walls in a neutral shade and adding pops of color through decor items like cushions, curtains, or desk accessories. Mirrors are another great way to brighten up a small office. Place a mirror on one wall to reflect light and create the illusion of depth. This trick can make your workspace feel more spacious and airy. Lighting is equally important in a small office. Maximize natural light by positioning your desk near a window and using sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter in. If natural light is limited, incorporate layered lighting. A desk lamp with adjustable brightness can provide focused light for tasks, while ambient lighting like string lights or small floor lamps creates a cozy atmosphere. By using light strategically and choosing the right color palette, you can make your small office feel brighter, more inviting, and better suited for productivity. What's your favorite tip for decorating a small office? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you make your workspace stylish and functional. Storage is a challenge in any small office, but with a little creativity, you can keep your space organized and clutter-free. Vertical storage is your best friend. Install floating shelves, pegboards, or wall-mounted organizers to free up desk space while keeping essentials within easy reach. Invest in storage boxes, baskets, or drawer organizers to keep smaller items like pens, paper clips, and notepads tidy. Opt for decorative containers that add a stylish touch while maintaining functionality. Labeling your storage can also help you stay organized and find things quickly. If floor space is limited, look for storage that can fit into unused corners, such as tall, narrow cabinets or rolling carts. Magnetic boards or clipboards mounted on walls can serve as functional decor for holding notes, calendars, or to-do lists. For a minimalist look, hide clutter behind closed cabinets or within storage ottomans. This keeps the office looking clean and streamlined. Creative storage solutions not only make your workspace more functional but also enhance its overall aesthetic. Check out our home office decor playlist for more tips and ideas to create a productive and beautiful workspace, no matter the size. A small office should feel like your personal sanctuary, a space where you're inspired and motivated to work. Personalization is key to achieving this. Start by adding decor that reflects your personality, such as artwork, motivational quotes, or photos of loved ones. plants are an excellent addition to any office. Small succulents, air plants, or a low-maintenance snake plant can add a touch of greenery and help improve air quality. Use stylish pots that match your overall decor theme. Incorporate texture and warmth through soft furnishings like a cozy rug, cushions, or a throw. Choose patterns and colors that complement the rest of the room. For added interest, display decorative items like a desk clock, a unique lamp, or a collection of books. Wall space is valuable in a small office, so use it wisely. Hang a bulletin board, pin board, or whiteboard for organizing tasks and displaying important notes. Alternatively, create a gallery wall with framed art or prints that inspire you. By personalizing your small office, you'll create a space that feels not only functional but also enjoyable and uniquely yours. Subscribe for more home office ideas and small space solutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. A small office is more than just a place to work, it's a reflection of your personality, creativity, and productivity. Even the smallest spaces have the potential to be transformed into functional and inspiring environments with the right design choices. By carefully selecting furniture, utilizing smart storage solutions, and incorporating personal touches, you can create an office that feels both efficient and uniquely yours. Decorating a small office is an exercise in creativity and problem-solving. It challenges you to make the most of every inch while ensuring the space remains uncluttered and inviting. This balance between functionality and style is what makes small office decor so rewarding. It's not just about creating a workspace, it's about designing a place where you feel comfortable, motivated, and inspired to do your best work. The foundation of any great small office lies in its layout and furniture. A well-chosen desk, an ergonomic chair, and multifunctional furniture can help maximize both space and utility. When every piece serves a purpose, the room feels cohesive and intentional, even in the tightest of quarters. Lighting and color also play a crucial role in small office decor. Light, neutral tones create an open and airy atmosphere, while strategic lighting ensures the space feels bright and welcoming. A combination of task and ambient lighting can make your office functional during the day and cozy in the evening. Storage solutions bring order to chaos, ensuring that your small office remains organized and efficient. Vertical storage, hidden compartments, and well-designed organizers help keep clutter out of sight, giving the space a clean and polished look. A well-organized workspace not only boosts productivity but also creates a sense of calm and focus. Personalization is what truly transforms a small office into a space you'll love spending time in. Adding decor that reflects your style and interests makes the office feel warm and inviting. From framed photos and inspirational quotes to plants and decorative accessories, these touches make the space uniquely yours. Greenery is a simple yet impactful addition to any office. Plants bring life and color to the space, improving air quality and creating a soothing atmosphere. Even a single potted plant or a small collection of succulents can make a big difference in how your office feels. Textures and patterns also enhance the overall aesthetic of your small office. A soft rug under your chair, a cozy throw draped over your seating, or a patterned curtain can add depth and character to the room. These elements make the office feel less like a workspace and more like a comfortable retreat. In a small office, every detail matters. From the artwork on the walls to the design of your desk lamp, each element contributes to the overall vibe of the space. Thoughtful choices, like matching accessories or incorporating a consistent color palette, can make the room feel harmonious and well-designed. One of the joys of decorating a small office is seeing how small changes can have a big impact. Rearranging furniture, adding a new piece of decor, or experimenting with lighting can transform the space, making it feel fresh and exciting. Your small office can also be a space that evolves over time. As your needs change, so can your decor. A new project might inspire a different layout, or a new season could call for a refreshed color palette. The flexibility of small office design allows you to adapt and grow with your workspace. Ultimately, your office is more than just a place to work, it's a space that supports your goals, fuels your creativity, and offers a sense of comfort and belonging. Whether you're working on a big project, brainstorming new ideas, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, your office should be a place where you feel at your best.